Okay, hey everyone. Today I'm sharing something a little different. My real behind the scenes process as I try to build what I call multiple streams of income. And in this case, we're going to be talking about affiliate income streams using AI prompts and automation tools and basically just assistance in general. Now, full disclosure, I haven't quite nailed it yet, but I do want to show you what I'm working on and how I'm really thinking through it. So as you can see right here, I am in Notion and I've just kind of been getting used to it. And I'm going to be discussing a little bit more about this and some other stuff that I've been thinking about as it pertains to creating Notion templates and Notion help. One of the reasons why I'm doing this is because I noticed a lot of affiliate marketers, including myself, tend to rely on just one or two programs. I am just full disclosure. I am an Amazon affiliate happening for years, and I have done a few others, but it seems like I was overly reliant on Amazon. So I wanted to actually go ahead and diversify, brainstorm, and organize, actually launch a few revenue streams in certain niches. In this case, I'll just try one niche for affiliate marketing because you don't want to put all your eggs in one basket. Very risky to fully fully step into all the Amazon associates, even though they're probably the most ubiquitous. They are always now. And I know that a lot of associates can make money with them. But Amazon has a tendency to be very mercurial, shall we say, and you got to be careful with it. So it's good to diversify and make sure that your income is not just reliant on one or two programs in general. This is a working process. So what I'm going to show you is some of the real processes I'm figuring out what works, what may not work, and what exactly I'm trying to learn and what I am learning. I do have here my Notion Command Center. And in this case, I have a list of affiliate programs. You can see here my Amazon associate. I'm thinking of big Shopify partnerships. Bluehost I have worked with in the past. I don't know if I'll be able to work with them again, but it's an investigation. SiteGround, ConvertKit. So those are some of the ideas that I have as far as affiliate programs that I can possibly work with. Now, we do have an affiliate calendar, right? I do have an affiliate calendar here. I can show you what this looks like. Still being built out. But whenever I'm doing anything as far as any kind of content, I wanted to actually have something that was more organized. I'm trying to be more organized in general. And let's take a look at the workflows. I like this one because I really kind of worked hard on creating these workflows. But these are templates that I've come up with where I can look for like niche opportunities, competitor analysis, trend validation, all that stuff. And I have done all of this. I kind of came up with something and I said, okay, let me try and see if I can work with it. And the platform I'm using to do all of this is Perplexity. Now, I have liked them from the beginning. When I was doing my content marketing a little bit more, I was kind of trying to find research and they were perfect. But now they've really kind of grown on me. And I tend to use them more than I really use ChatGPT. Now, I'm in Perplexity, and here is the prompt that I have. Basically, I want Perplexity to help me come up with an affiliate income strategy, or a diversified affiliate income strategy for initial AI-powered affiliate marketing programs. It's actually something that I've really been diving into over the past few weeks, and I've come up with a few ideas, but I wanted to actually come up with some more along different vein. So what I want is 3 primary affiliate programs with links if possible, and Perplexity is very good at links. 2 complementary info products, 1 service offering. And I'm actually going to add something in here. Now that I remember, I'm going to add something in here that makes sure that I don't find anything that uses PayPal because PayPal does not work for me. So I'm actually going to say put this affiliate programs possible that do not utilize PayPal as a payout system. Actually, PayPal or PayPal products as a payout method. This may limit what I can do, but at least it's honest to what I need. 2 complimentary products. Okay, so I have this prompt here, which if you're interested, I will be including this prompt, the template for this prompt in the description so you guys can use it and tweak it however you want to need to. And for this particular one, I'm going to be using Perplexity Research because I find that it does more in-depth research. If you are on the free Perplexity, you do have access to the research part of it, but it is, I think, limited to about 3 per day. But you can definitely use Perplexity Pro just once or twice with this. You should be good to go. So I'm going to go through and let's see what this comes up with. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm looking for ideas that fit my audience and can work together with my niche. I found that while it's great to want to go into something to make money, you kind of have to make sure that it is in light of what you want to do and what you are doing, or else they'll come off kind of strange and you might not be able to keep up with it because it may not be something you enjoy. So what I've really done is I've worked with Perplexity to kind of get my ideas aligned with what it is that I really want to do and what it is that I have been doing. And it's not that I'm not open to anything else. It's just that for right now, what I'm really deep diving into makes more sense. So that's something you want to consider whenever you're coming up with a prompt or you're working with the prompt that I'm going to be sharing with you. And you can come up with your own ways of rubrics. The Affiliate Growth Intelligence Kit. Now here is the Notion template. Next, we have over 25 enhanced AI prompts. So I actually go through how to use those particular applications along with the prompts, the 27 at the moment, that will grow. Okay, it's still working, but it has come up with some stats which are very helpful. And then it has the SEM Rush affiliate program, which is cool. I can definitely work with ads. Custom GPT AI, I've seen those. And I can definitely kind of work with that as well. We're going up to they're very impressive. And none of these, as they say, you have solely PayPal, but they do have bank transfer options. That might be something that I can work with as well. So Perplexity is great at just kind of going through everything and finding that stuff that you don't necessarily find on like everything has to be page 1 on Google supposed to. But if there's some good stuff on pages 2 and 3, Perplexity will find the right answer to your question, regardless of whether it's on Google's page 1 or not. So yeah, these are actually really great ideas. I'm going to be doing a copy of them. The prompt also gives me an implementation and time plan. So I have foundation buildings, apply to all 3. It's going to take a bit of time sometimes to maybe get one to respond. And then content creation, which can definitely work. You can create videos, written content, blog content, stuff like that, and then launch. So it's giving me about a 3 to 6 month launch period, which sounds about right. And then it usually takes about that time to warm up. These are ideas that I will be investigating over the next few weeks. So I'm going to be adding these to my Notion. Now, again, if you want to try this prompt, I'll include a template of this in the description. I do also have what I call the AI avatar assistant template that I actually have up on that I do have on Gumroad as a free download. Go ahead and check that out on how to use it. And I've had a few downloads already. So I'll be including that link in there as well as the how to implement it out. So join me on this journey. And this is real time. I'm trying to get certain things done. And this is just one of the ways that I'm trying to leverage AI for more businessy, the different parts of building a business. So if you guys have any questions or if you have anything that you're doing you want to share, of course, share them in the comments. I'd love to know more about it. Of course, like, comment, and share this video with anyone that you know who may want to do some affiliate marketing. I'd appreciate it, of course. And you know what, guys? Thanks for your time, and I will see you guys in the next video.